On this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat login problem. First thing guys, all what you wanna do is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone and make sure to update your Snapchat into the latest version. After that, go back and open the settings on your phone. Go to the Apps Manager. When you open the Apps Manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is wait a few seconds and after that scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it like this, and then click here on this for stop and go here to the data usage and make sure to disable the background data and the roaming data and enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Go back, click on the storage or the internal storage, click here on clear data and click on delete. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.